Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today I thought I would give you a little bit of a sneak peek at the Craft with Heart card making kit from Close to My Heart. I just got this a couple weeks ago and it's been waiting patiently. The box comes, it's all beautiful and lovely. We have packing slip, and then you have your nice set of instructions that show you all the different cards. You make 2 each of 12 different designs for a total of 24. This is based on the papers and things that are in the current catalogs. I would say for the May-June catalog and then the up-and-coming July-August catalog, so you get a feel for what's going on here. I give you a nice set of envelopes, and these are just a neutral color envelope. That's different. Usually they're colorful. Shaker window foam and acetate. This is the rectangle size, so you know you're going to be making some shakers. An exclusive stamp set only available in this kit. So if you like this, sending hugs, you're in my thoughts, happy birthday, welcome little one. It covers all sorts of different things. You make me happy, simple thanks. You are so loved. All amazing sentiments. With those shakers, we're going to need some shaker bits. So we have the gold star confetti. So cute. And of course they include a little stamp block and a little ink spot so that you can take this bad boy on the road and you have everything you need except your adhesive and a little pair of scissors. Then we have the kit here, all of the punch art that's labeled. It tells you that that's for card 1. So everything is kind of matched up for you. You don't have to do a lot of guessing. And I'm not going to take this apart now. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a sneak peek on what this kit looks like when you get it. So I hope you will go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com, click on the subscription tab, and it will take you to where they talk about the Craft with Heart subscription program. It's really wonderful. The cards are very useful, and I am using them. I find them to be just the right thing I need. So check it out at barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this little mini tour of the Craft with Heart subscription card kit. Have a blessed and crafty day. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next time.